Today I'm going to talk about what is Oracle Cloud and what it means for businesses. Let's dive into the world of Oracle Cloud and explore its key features and benefits. What is Oracle Cloud? If I've come across the term Oracle Cloud while exploring cloud computing, I might be curious about its meaning. Maybe I'm a business owner wanting to migrate to the cloud, or an IT professional looking to expand my skills. Regardless of my reason, I'm about to embark on an Oracle Cloud journey. Defining Oracle Cloud. I'll guide you through the fundamental concepts to understand Oracle Cloud. We'll explore cloud computing basics and delve into Oracle's unique approach to cloud computing. Users can access these services on demand, paying only for what they use, without the need for on-premises hardware or infrastructure. Cloud computing is foundational to Oracle Cloud. It delivers computing services over the Internet. Oracle's approach to cloud computing sets it apart in the industry. Oracle Cloud encompasses infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. This comprehensive approach provides various services, including computing power, storage, and networking resources, offering a unique blend of flexibility, scalability, and security for cloud applications. With Oracle Cloud, you can focus on innovation and growth, rather than infrastructure. Oracle Cloud offers high-performance computing and storage capabilities, providing scalable and secure infrastructure. It also includes advanced analytics and machine learning capabilities, along with integrated development environments for streamlined development. Oracle Cloud provides comprehensive security and identity management, seamless integration with on-premises systems, cost-effective pricing models, and 24/7 customer support. Oracle Cloud's infrastructure as a service, IaaS, provides virtual machines, storage, and networking resources. With IaaS, you can customize infrastructure for optimal performance and scalability. As a developer, I find Oracle Cloud's platform as a service, PaaS, particularly beneficial. It offers database management, middleware, and development tools, allowing me to focus on code rather than infrastructure. This results in faster development and deployment. Additionally, PaaS simplifies application development with a comprehensive set of tools and services, ultimately lowering costs, boosting productivity, and enhancing application quality. Software as a service, SaaS. Oracle Cloud SaaS provides access to cloud-based apps for CX, ERP, HCM, and SCM, allowing me to stay connected to vital business apps and data while on the move. With SaaS, I can access applications and data from anywhere, at any time, on any device. Additionally, Oracle Cloud SaaS offers industry-leading applications with no upfront or ongoing costs, enabling me to focus on business growth and innovation rather than software management. What is the use of Oracle Cloud? Oracle Cloud offers a wide range of use cases, including application development and testing, data backup and recovery, and running enterprise applications. It also empowers businesses to innovate and scale their operations without the complexity of managing IT infrastructure. Oracle Cloud offers benefits for businesses aiming to level up their operations. The platform provides scalability and flexibility, making it easier for businesses to adapt to changing demands. Additionally, it is cost-effective and secure, ensuring that businesses can operate efficiently and safely. Furthermore, Oracle Cloud Platform offers scalability, performance, and automation for increased productivity. With Oracle Cloud, businesses can automate decision-making and drive innovation using AI chatbots and machine learning algorithms, enabling them to make data-driven decisions faster and more accurately to stay ahead. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like this video, then kindly share it and like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.